Okay. Dear students, a very warm welcome and good morning to all the students of 9th standard JC English High School, Vijaypura. In the last class, we have completed your one geography. Okay. That is Karnataka, the state. And I have sent you the question answers also yesterday. I think you are writing it in your long notebook. And one more thing I am telling you that these notes I am sending, those who are not able to come, okay for them, but those who are able to come and meet here, okay, you can come and you take a Xerox of these notes. It will be good for you that you can save your time. Now it's your wish what process you like to do. Now today we will go with the sociology. Okay, one unit is there, your sociology. This sociology chapter 1 we will go, and the name of the chapter is family. We all lived in a family. I think I don't have to make you understand what a family is. But then also we will first do the introduction to family. See, from next week you are having festivals and all, one by one it will come, okay, but 6 months you have a great festival of Corona, so don't neglect your study, okay. Now, okay, on Dasara day you enjoy. I am not telling that you don't enjoy that day, but these days coming means 3-4 days you will take preparation. You take preparation, but morning 2 hours and evening 2 hours you should sit for your study, and these are the chapters which are very easy. If you concentrate more on these chapters for half an hour also, you can get the concept. Once you get the concept, if any questions will come, you will be able to write. Okay, so introduction to family. What is the family? Man has formed many social institutions to fulfill basic needs. We are having some basic needs, and for that human being, means here it is still man has formed many social institutions. Okay, see, many social institutions. This is also a social institution. This is also comes under the educational social institution, where the teachers are giving you the education. Okay, like that, one of the main social institution is our family. Our family is also an institution. Why institution? Because in our family there are many types of activities which are happening. Among these, family is the most important one. Out of other social institution, family is the main or core of all the social institution. Without family, nobody can survive. Even the animals we see, no, they are also having family. Family is the basic institution of the society. Basic institution means the basic institution of the society, means it is the core. Without family, nothing you can think of. Members of family are the members of social institution. Okay, any institution, there are some members. Here, whoever is there in your family, means your parents, your brothers, sisters, they are the member of social institution. The word family is derived from the Latin word famulus. Okay. Family, we know family. Okay. But it has been taken from the Latin word famulus, which means to serve. This one in English, it means to serve. Okay. Family members live in the same house. There will be a house where you can see a family. Okay. And all the family members will stay together under one roof. The main base of a family is the kinship and emotions related to it. Family means bonding should be there. Okay. Now I will tell you, it has been given. Kinship means blood relation. Blood relation means blood relation. Suppose I am having a brother. We are not only friends, we are not friends, we are blood related. Why blood related? Because we have common parents. Okay. And emotions, strong feeling from one's circumstances, mood or relationship towards others. Other words are sentiment, response or sensation. Emotion will be there if you are in a family. Sometimes you will cry, sometimes you will be happy and laugh. Those are the emotions, our expressions towards other people. Okay, the family directs the social behavior, dressing rituals and other issues of its member. Family, in a family, like your school, you are having a head of your headmaster. Okay, like in family also, our parents are the head. They will direct us. Directors means they will guide us, they will teach us. What they will teach? They will teach us regarding the social behavior, how I should behave with my grandparents, how I should behave with my neighbors, how I should be in the school. These all things we are getting from the family. Okay. Now we will go for the next issues, that is characteristic. Okay. Characteristics of a family means what are the characteristics of a family. Okay, first point is family is universal. In the world, wherever you will go, you will see a family. If you go for America, maybe they are from other country, but they are also having same like us, the family. They are also staying under one roof. Their family also teaches them everything. So family is universal. Family is found in all societies all over the world. Family follows a fixed pattern in issuing likes, marriage, kinship, emotions, nurturing, property rights. These are the things which will be there if a family is, which we are calling a family. There should be marriage, should be there. Kinship, blood relation will be there. Emotions, it means expression should be there. Nurturing means how you are getting upbringing from your parents. Okay. Property rights. Suppose my father is having a house. Okay. So I am having a sister also. We both have the rights on that house. Okay. Next is basic unit for all social activities. Every activities of social institution starts from the family. Every activities of social institution. Every activities of the social institution starts from the family. Activities include political, economical and educational. Previously, the family was sending its member to participate in the activities of the local community. Okay. Suppose a marriage is going to happen there, okay, in my neighbor's place. Family, what we think, we will be participating in some work of that previously. Okay, previously we do like this. We will go there, we will help them. But nowadays, due to increased complexity means hardship. Okay, a busy life and all. Okay, complexity of social life, many functions has been given to various social institutions. Suppose in my house one marriage party is there. What we are doing? We are giving this marriage party to conduct this marriage party. Food and all arrangements we will give it to some catering company, means third party. They will take care to feed all the people in the right time and with the right operations. Okay. Next is continuous responsibility and social accountability. Family teaches its member how to behave and discharge specific responsibilities are there. Okay, we are having some responsibilities to our society also. Family only will tell me. Okay, it trains its children how to react and behave with the others in the society. See, we all know how to behave outside, but from where we know? We know it from the family. It educates about the social responsibility. Example, how it educates how to make society clean by using dustbin. Our parents only told that you should throw the garbage in a dustbin. So your parents who are the in your family, they will tell. Okay. Another more 1, 2, 3 points are there that I will describe by tomorrow. Okay. Thank you.